Hello beautiful people, I trust you are all doing good. Today I share with you this delicious pot of light soup that I made not long ago, and I know you are going to like it. So if you are new here, you can join us by subscribing and like this video, and let's get right into it. To begin with, I'll be making use of some carrots, tomatoes and onions. I've already gone ahead to wash and clean them very well. I'll be using one onion wholesome in the soup, and I'll use one to blend together with my ginger and garlic and natural spices to season my proteins. So I have some anise seeds, peppercorn and rosemary here. I'll be blending everything together. So to my pot, I'm adding some chicken. I'll also be using some pork feet and also tilapia. You can also use any protein of choice. Just make sure that they all steam or cook at the same time so that you will know how to go about the recipe. So after adding the tilapia, I poured in my spice blend with the ingredients that I showed you: the onion, the spices, the ginger and the garlic. Okay, rinsed out the blender and I added some seasoning. This is chicken seasoning, white pepper, tilapia seasoning and also stock cube. You can also use any seasoning of choice. I'm just going to add some thyme and then salt to taste. We'll give this a gentle mix so that the spices can come together. At this point, you want to be careful so that you don't break up your tilapia. We'll just cook it for a little bit and then take the tilapia out. We are back to check on our steamed proteins, and the tilapia is well cooked, so we want to take it out at this point. We'll just set it aside in a bowl for later. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers for their love and support on the channel. You guys, I'm so grateful. Thank you for liking, and if you haven't liked already, please do like, subscribe and share. God bless you all. So I'm adding one onion, the carrots, the tomatoes, and I'm going to just let this sink in, and I'll cover it so that it cooks until it's nice and tender. The vegetables are nice and well cooked now. We'll just take it and then blend it with some water until it's nice and smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can crush them and then add some water and sieve them back into the soup. Going forward, we'll also be adding tomato paste to this. We'll give this a good mix and then let it be on fire while we blend the vegetables. We are back to add our blended vegetables into the sauce right now. So we'll just add it and then rinse out the blender and then add enough water. We will also be adding some blended pepper to this. So for light soup, the thinner you want it, the more water you add. Okay, so we decided to add enough water because we realized that the base was really thick, and once we were done, we covered it halfway and brought it to a boil. We've been boiling this for about 20 or more minutes under medium heat. So now it's time to add some okra, just because someone in our house likes okra in their light soup. So you can also add any other vegetable you want. Some people also add garden eggs. So let this be on fire for about 15 minutes, and then after that we'll come back and add our tilapia that we set aside. By this time, the soup is almost ready. After adding the tilapia, we let it be for about 5 minutes just so that the flavors can come together, and then that was it. We didn't add any more salt or seasoning because we seasoned it very well. You can also check for seasoning and add it at this point. And just like that, our light soup was nice and ready. It went very well with fufu. You can also have it with any carbohydrate of choice. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this light soup. I'll be glad to read all your nice comments. And also, don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until I post my next video, remember to enjoy cooking and God loves you. Bye.